Bueno, mi gente, vamos a comer ahora, que estoy desmayado. Y voy a abrir unos paquetes que me llegaron. Chacho, diablo, pero este cabrón dejó esto en el medio. Mira esto, yo, this is crazy. Mira hasta dónde puedo llegar la puerta. Mira, I can fucking open, yo. Diablo, mano, esta gente gama. Diablo, mano. Qué ópera. Mira. Mira qué clase de revolú tuve que pasar yo para coger estos paquetes. Yo, pero es que estos son de los chamaquitos estos de Amazon Flex. Que se ponen a hacerle Amazon y no saben. Y mira el revolú que tuvieron. Déjame primero que nada a verificar si esto es lo que yo quería ordenar. Yo creo que no. Esto yo creo que se va devolvido. Dice que hay 200 piezas aquí. Ya, cabe ese cable ahí. Fuck. No me sirve. Qué shit, man. Chavo botado porque esto no me sirve. Anyway, yo voy a devolver esto. 6 milímetros. ¿Ves? Por dejarme llevar. Anyway, to return. Ok. Vamos a abrir este otro, a ver si te brega. Esto es una Ratchet. Fucking Ratchet. Just a Ratchet.
Who's a Ratchet?
¿Ah? Aquí hablando de ti, de mí.
De mí? I heard you telling wife.
Oh, no, que ¿sabes? Oh, es que ella se cree que yo le que ella es una Ratchet. Pero estoy hablando que yo mandé a buscar una Ratchet. Aquí, mira.
If I am Ratchet, you're in love with this Ratchet. So.
Babe, I will never disrespect you like that, calling you Ratchet.
Esta comida está buena.
Opening the Ratchet.
Let me see.
No, espera, que tuve un unboxing, yo. ¿Qué pasa? Haz la comida ahí, cocina ahí. Alright, unboxing sexy Ratchet. Let's see how it comes. Ooh. Sexy. What the heck? This thing is strapped. Okay, this is a low quality charger. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's check the quality of this. I need to get like a box. I mean like a thing so I can do all this stuff. Anyway, looks 15 millimeter. They don't look high quality at all. These sockets seems like they're gonna strip very easy. Here's a 10 millimeter. They are not the best quality, but they are not the worst quality. Anyway, let's see this thing. Ooh, feels good. It feels strong. Let's see how this goes. Let's see. I think it goes right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. it doesn't have power at all, but this is to, you guys know how to use it. I can stop it with my hand. Feels good. Fast. I wish I could screw something. Pretty fast. Also, it comes with this thing from 3/8 to I believe a 1/4 inch. I don't think it came with any 1/4 inch sockets. So we got, let's see, we got 10 millimeter, 10, 11. Where is the 12? 12, 13, 14, and 15. That's all you need to. Oh, and this is 17, even better. All you need to take up part of Honda. 10, 12, 14, 15 in some cases, and 17. Definitely you will be taking apart a whole Honda. Okay, so open forward, reverse, take the battery out, switch. Pretty easy. I think I'm gonna love this tool. And other thing, you charge the battery right here. This is ghetto as fuck. This is from 1980s, but here we go.